Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to be drawing a cow. So all that you need, some plain white paper, you'll need a pencil and a razor and a black pen, and that's it. And don't forget, if you like drawing animals, don't forget to download my free PDF of how to draw a horse galloping, which you'll find just here in the link above. So let's get started. So we're going to start off simply with a rectangle. So just bring a line down here. Do it quite lightly. I'm just doing it a little bit more heavy just because I want you to see it on camera. And this rectangle is going to be slightly slopey, so I'll just draw it down like here. You can use a ruler if you wish, but this is just a really rough guideline that we're just going to use just so that we can get the proportions right. So here you can see kind of gone over the edge, so I'm just going to raise it a bit. Okay, so onto that rectangle we're going to draw a triangle. So it's going to carry on sloping up a little bit as well, just like that. And then just draw part coming down. Onto this triangle we're going to do another triangle, and that's going to be the cow's head. So coming down, come down again, and that's going to be the cow's head there. So we can add kind of a position where the eye is going to be roughly and where the ear is going to be roughly as well. We can always move these, so don't forget we can always erase them if they're in the wrong place. Just putting in some markers just so that we can figure out where to put all the anatomy. So about here on this rectangle, we're just going to draw a straight line coming down, which is going to represent the leg, a bit for the hoof there, and then one behind it, like that. And then from this corner, we're going to draw a line coming out in this direction and then coming down. Make sure that it's roughly, oh, I'm a little bit out there actually. Make sure that it's roughly in line with the front ones. There we go. And then another one coming down here and going out like so. That's stage one. Now we're going to start developing the drawing a bit better. So using your pencil again, going to make this look a little bit more realistic. So pressing a little bit more heavy now. And this leg will come out here a little bit before it goes onto the hoof. Come round like this. Come all the way up. Come higher than this rectangle, the bottom of the rectangle, and come back down. Like so, just to find some of the muscles here. There we go. Okay, now we're going to draw the udder, which comes up around here, and the teats, there we go, brilliant. And then the back leg. This, bring it round, and it goes behind the udder. Okay, now we're going to be doing the front part of the tummy. It's going to slope up a little bit. Now, the back of the front leg comes up round here, comes down, all the way down. And for the hoof, there we go, comes out for the knee and all the way up. There we go. And then we're just going to join up the tummy Now we're just going to do the back leg peeking out. And the hoof peeking out around here. Excellent. Now we're on to the front part. So, front part of the neck. Bring it round like so. Just going to go back to the back, just give it a little bit more definition. And there's a substantial dip here before it meets the ear. Come up. Come round. Kind of a lumpy bit for the brow. We come round and just draw the face and round like so, and the nose, it's very roughly done, and then the eye, and then we're just going to do a little bit more detail on the ear. Like so. Okay, oh, don't forget the tail. So just coming all the way straight down. You see a bit poking out behind. Okie dokie, now I'm going to add some markings. Well, I'm just going to draw where the markings are going to be. So blob there, one there, and then the markings on the back. So every cow's different, so it doesn't matter if you don't get this bit exactly like mine. There you go. And then a bit coming down around here. One on the top of the leg. Bring it round. It's always helpful to have a photo of an actual cow in front of you. I've got one in front of me here. So bring it round. And like that, and then up here, round by the eye, there we go, and a little bit on the leg. Okay, so now I'm going to rub out the pencil markings, and I'm going to go over this in pen so you can see it a bit better. So here's our finished cow. I've rubbed out all the pencil markings. If you found this useful, please hit subscribe and like, and if you've got any comments, please put them in the comment section below, or any requests whatsoever. I'd love to know what you'd like to draw. Hopefully see you on the next one. Thank you, bye bye.